Welcome to your training video. Today, we're going to briefly talk about why Power Lead System and tips on making passive income with Power Lead System. All right, so let's get to it. Let me first show you some proof here. In the last week, I did $236 in commissions with Power Lead System, okay? And this has been 100%, 100% passive, effortless income, meaning I did not lift a finger to actually make any of this income here, to get these customers, or I should say to make this income. Some of these customers were from a long time ago, and I did put in work up front, but for this earned commission week, I literally didn't do anything in this past week. The only work that I've done is literally email my new customers. So this commission right here has just flowed in, came in automatically, and you can see the residual commission with our gold membership is 130 for this week alone. Diamond, I made 100, Lead Lightning 6. So I'm going to talk about three key ideas. Three key ideas. You can jot it down or just remember when it comes to making passive income. So the first key idea is have a monthly continuity program that offers you residual income. And that's what I just talked about, residual income right here with our gold membership. So if you're at the gold membership, all right, you can earn monthly residual income, okay? And it only costs $53.97 a month. So my monthly overhead for this whole business is $53.97. So my profit for this week alone is almost $200 for this week alone. And that was hands-free income, okay? So number one, residual component. Residual means it's like coming in on a monthly basis, usually like a monthly subscription or some kind of auto ship, some kind of automatic renewal payment. You want that to be part of your deal. All right. Now, the second key idea for passive income is sell a necessity. Really make sure your product is an extreme need in the marketplace. So what we have at Power Lead System, selling web pages, the software is an extreme need. Every marketer, every business person needs their own marketing software, their own capture pages, websites, ability to do all of that from one place. And it just makes sense, okay? And lastly, number three is creating evergreen content on YouTube. All right. Now, that strategy works perfect with Power Lead System because it's an internet business mainly. People are searching for it all the time on YouTube, and people are searching for what we have from all kinds of different companies and countries around the world. And you don't have to talk just about Power Lead System. You can target other names, other niches of different companies like I do for other MLMs, and I help those people set up their websites, learn about PLS, and get involved straight from YouTube. Now that works because with Evergreen Content, I can make a video on YouTube and I can make it like 5 years ago or however long ago. Here's my playlist, and someone could find
millennial men. You got Coach Corey here.
Sorry, one second.
Founder, leader of.
Someone could find this video, for instance, like Power Lead System 2019. I made this over 2 years ago, and the content I can tell you is still going to be relevant. It's still going to be useful today. So create evergreen content that people are constantly searching for and still relevant to this moment that they can apply immediately to their life. That's why I love YouTube so much, and it works perfect in perfect conjunction with Power Lead System. Because like I said, people are searching for ways to make money from home. They're searching for specific solutions in certain MLM companies, and they're looking up Power Lead System keywords and related keywords all the time to figure out what's the best solution. And that's how I've been earning a lot of my customers, I promise you, is coming straight from YouTube, my YouTube videos. I'll show you one other channel to give you an idea. I also have a channel promoting tips and training for people in Herbalife. Here is another YouTube channel of mine. You can see the videos here. 72 subscribers. I haven't uploaded a video on this channel in 4 months, but I'm getting some views. See how I'm doing it? Free Herbalife lead capture. I'm using certain keywords. I'm getting views. You don't need to have the most views in the world, but these videos convert. They bring me leads. They bring me sales. They bring me upsells. And I'll show you, when I make a video, I do some quick training, and then I do a call to action, point them to a blog or some kind of a capture page underneath my video. This one goes straight to my blog post. So then if they go over to my blog, boom, I can capture them on my email list here, and they can learn more about me. They can check out other things on my blog, banner pictures, whatever. So that's how it works. If you want help with PLS, you want to make money from home, I'll put my website link below the video. You can check it out, learn the compensation plan, and then I would be your sponsor if you sign up with me, and I'm willing to help you. So just hit the link below. Don't delay, and I'll see you on the inside.